In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Subaru Ascent key fob. This device was used on Ascents between 2019 and 2020, and it takes just one CR1620 battery to run. It's very easy to open, so just follow along. The first step, we will look to this key ring, and up on the corner here, there is a little indentation in the plastic. We're going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and turn it. Just turning it like a key, we are now opening up the two halves of the key fob, and now you can go in that little opening and just twist and kind of work your way down until this back piece of plastic comes off. Now you can set that to the side, and now we will just kind of dump out this part with the buttons that actually houses the battery inside there. And now you can see there are several of these little pieces of plastic here holding it in place. So what we're going to do is going to hold on the sides and just one by one target those little overhanging pieces of plastic, and we're going to use the flathead screwdriver to get under them and just kind of push it up like that. And now turn, go to the next one, just kind of slowly making progress on this thing so we don't damage it. Now we push that one up very slightly, and you can see it's starting to come off. Hold the sides, do one more, just kind of getting under it, prying, pushing, but don't use too much force. And now it has kind of clicked off on its own, and we can just remove it with our fingers. Okay, now set this carefully to the side. And here we have our 1620 battery. This is really easy to take out. Just take the corner of your flathead screwdriver. You can see this little metal component at the bottom. We're going to be coming up in this corner right here. Use the corner of the flathead and just push under it. Show you that one more time. Corner, get under, and just kind of lift it out. There we go. Take a brand new CR1620. 1620. Make sure this positive side, the one that has all the text and the battery information, make sure that goes face down. And then you are just going to click it back into place and now reassemble this thing, which is much easier than taking it apart. Just line everything up, click it back together. Put your button and battery part back in there and just click the back into place. Test out your buttons, make sure you did it right, and you should be good to go. That's really all it takes. So I hope this helped you out, and if it did, you can let us know by leaving a comment or by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any maker model, you can check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.